Welcome to the island of La Réunion. This jewel in the Indian Ocean lies around 10,000 kilometers from Europe. The tropical island is famous for its impressive volcanic landscapes and extraordinary biodiversity. A unique place where nature meets modernity. The new arrivals terminal at the international airport is an innovative bioclimatic building based on the principle of natural ventilation. The aim is to reduce energy consumption by replacing air conditioning systems, which are among the biggest energy consumers in tropical regions. To ensure thermal comfort, the building was designed to face the prevailing southeasterly trade winds. These winds flow through the exposed facades into the terminal and out again through a ventilation duct in the roof ridge. To make optimum use of this natural airflow, D&H France has developed an efficient system for smoke extraction and natural ventilation.
I am Thomas Lamet, project manager for the new West Terminal at La Réunion Airport. To make this building work with natural ventilation, we had to precisely coordinate multiple components. Sensors, opening systems, drives, all highly efficient. And above all, these system elements had to work together seamlessly to achieve the impressive results we see today. A building that is cooled entirely by natural ventilation, providing travelers with a refreshing and comfortable atmosphere.
This solution comprises 860 motorized louver windows, each equipped with the most advanced technology for precise and safe operation. Each louver is controlled individually and monitored via a bus system. This system collects and transmits real-time data on the status of each window, ensuring full responsiveness.
After the first 2 years of evaluation, the results are very satisfactory. We've been able to analyze, fine-tune and optimize the system during different climatic periods, both in hot and cooler seasons. But most importantly, the feedback from passengers, our most important criterion, has been very positive. Today, travelers feel completely at ease inside the terminal because it feels more comfortable inside than outside.
D&H France received the highest honor at the D&H Atmosphere Awards 2024 for this project. The new bioclimatic terminal on La Réunion is a masterpiece of sustainable architecture made possible by innovative solutions from D&H. That's what we call building atmosphere.